Well-educated Bollywood star kids who will join Bollywood eventually. Suhana Khan. SRK's daughter Suhana has completed her schooling from Dhirubhai Ambani International School and higher studies from Ardingly College in England. Suhana is now pursuing a course in acting in New York Film Academy as she wants to join Bollywood. Ibrahim Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan's elder son Ibrahim completed his schooling from Dhirubhai Ambani International School and is currently pursuing his graduation from UK. Ibrahim wants to follow the footsteps of his father and wants to become a Bollywood actor. Khushi Kapoor. She has completed her schooling from Dhirubhai Ambani International School and currently pursuing acting course from New York Film Academy. According to reports, she will soon make her Bollywood debut through Karan Johar's movie. Yash Vardhan Ahuja. Govinda's son Yash Vardhan is currently pursuing filmmaking course from London's MET School. This handsome star kid wants to become a Bollywood actor like his father and he will make his Bollywood debut soon. Aryan Khan. Shah Rukh Khan's elder son Aryan studied from London's Sevenoaks School and he completed graduation from University of Southern California. After attending this top college, Aryan will surely end up becoming a Bollywood actor. Navya Naveli Nanda. Big B's granddaughter Navya studied at Sevenoaks School at London. She is currently studying in Fordham University of New York. Navya is keen on becoming an actress and as per reports, Karan Johar will soon launch her in Bollywood. Alavia Jafre. Alavia did her studies in fashion and technologies from New York and she wants to become an actress. Nisa Devgan. Nisa did her schooling from Dhirubhai Ambani International School and she is doing higher studies from Southeast Asian School in Singapore. She is very much keen in acting and she wants to become an actress. Dishani Chakraborty. Mithun Chakraborty's daughter Dishani is well educated and currently completing her higher studies in filmmaking at New York Film Academy. Disha will be soon making her Bollywood debut. Alia Kashyap. Anurag Kashyap's daughter Alia is currently learning filmmaking and acting and she will become an actress soon. Agastya Nanda. Big B's grandson Agastya is currently pursuing acting course at New York Film Academy and will be soon in Bollywood movies. Arav Bhatia. Akshay's son Arav did his schooling from Ecole Mondiale World School and doing higher studies from United World College of Southeast Asia. This handsome star will become an actor soon and will make a grand entry in Bollywood. Ira Khan. Amir Khan's daughter Ira graduated from University of Utrecht and she has also learned music and she is ready for her Bollywood debut. Alana Pandey. Ananya's cousin sister did her schooling from London and she will soon make her acting debut. Paloma Dhillon. Poonam Dhillon's daughter completed studies from Jamnabai Nursery School and she is gearing up for her Bollywood debut. Krishna Shroff. Jackie Shroff's daughter did her schooling from American School of Bombay and she learned filmmaking from USA. But as per the current reports, Krishna is all set to make her Bollywood debut soon. Ahan Pandey. Chunky Pandey's nephew Ahan completed his schooling from Oberoi International School. He is currently pursuing graduation from University of Mumbai. Ahan wants to become an actor and is gearing up for his Bollywood debut. Ayushmann Sethi. Elder son of Archana and Parmeet Sethi, Ayushmann completed his study from Mumbai-based college. He is ready to start his Bollywood career. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.